Thanks, Boukje. What did you do? Yeah, you are doing that. And this. And last week I bought this new. Ta-da! Thank you. Hey, they are all sleeping. Hey, Reina. Hallo. Boukje. Water. Thank you. Bella. Yveske. Blomke. And here I have Saly. Saly is here because when she's in the arena together with Reintje, she don't eat. And I don't know why. But I thought I bring her here. Now she's eating. Goed zo. Not yet. But ik denk net dat het nog heel erg lang duurt. Reintje is asleep. Hey, Boukje. Blomke. Bella. No? I think Yveske is going to roll. Oh, Yveske. Boukje. Bella. With her dappled coat. And Blomke. Hi there. It's about 16 degrees today. It's beautiful. So I thought I want to make a wire for the ponies. Hey, Peach. Cheese. 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 You're a bit close. And for Daisy. Yes, Daisy knows. Yes. Chubby Daisy. And Glendy. Hey. Well, okay. It's still very wet. So I thought here it's okay.
Het wordt het.
Good morning. Time to lunch, Yveske. Goed zo. Oh, stappen. Hello. That's your own poop. Goed zo. Draf. I think Yvke is doing really fine, really good. Because yeah, I lunched her a couple of times, but she's acting like it's normal and like she do it for years, and she is nice. Yes. No. And sweet. Hey. Yeah. Now it's Bella's turn, and Bella is a bit stronger than a couple of weeks ago. Goed zo. Goed zo. No. And a bit stronger, I mean, she's pulling the lunch line. But now it's okay. Come, come, come. So I can't film that much. Boukje, what did you do? Or was it Blomke? Saly and Reintje. And today Saly is eating. And I have to fill the water again. Blomke. Bella. And over here, Reina. And for 1 second I had Reina over here. And she digged a hole. But it's ready again. That's because she's there. Sorry. What's going on? Jan Wietse has pain in his back. So he can't lift the legs anymore.
I can lift them.
He can't hold them.
Holding on and getting harder.
Oh. Hey Bella. Blomke. Doe maar. Oh, my. Oh. Boukje. Vera and Peach. And there's Silke. So this is the second time she's in front of the carrots. First time I did it with Rinske. And now with Silke and Vera. Yay. Perfect. Hey, goed gedaan. Next, Reina. Stappen. Goed zo. Let maar los, hè. Oh. Goed zo, braaf. Braaf, doe maar. Braaf, goed zo, Reina. Braaf. Goed zo, super. Zo, braaf. Now it's Vera's turn. Wat verbinding. Was wel iets meer verbinding, hè? Leuk?
Zeker.
Oh, die gaat weer hobbelen. Reina. It's not Reintje. Dat is Reina. Hey, goed zo. En nieuwe braids voor Reina. Kom maar. Hey Peach. Silke and Glendy. Always a lot of hair. Boefke? Huh? Saly.
Links is Zenna en rechts is Teije Rein.
Goed zo. Goed zo. Goed zo. Pijltjes. Ah. Hij is bijna. Goed zo.
Super braaf.
Moest je zo kennen? Ja? Doe maar.
Misschien nog die ook.
Ja.
Ja.
Hoi.
Kom dan YouTube?
Nee.
Ja.